I heard Ray tell Grandmother we're going to hell.
We're here to help.
Hey, Grandma, we're going to hell. Because we're Jews.
Did you do that? That's permanent marker. She's Hitler now.
You have to cross in with a purpose, okay? Action.
I gotta go potty! His play was a disaster and so boring, and I really wanted to rip my script up, and this is the play I like better because it's more in general of our dad's life, because it's his birthday. Daddy, are you ready for your birthday present?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Cameron Walker, and I was born in
1965.
In 1965, and in junior college, I got a girl pregnant. What does your mommy look like? What does she sound like? Is she nice? Is she mean?
Wow. Well, she kind of looks like me with a wig. I know, it's not very pretty, but,
I saw you wearing the blonde wig before that was short.
you saw that?
Yeah.
18 hours of excruciating labor. Entitle me to custody of my son.
I don't want to lose him.
I'm sorry, but he is all I've got.
Bye. I want to marry Clark when I grow up, because he's my best friend.
You won't be able to be best friends once you marry him, though.
I guess I won't get married.
I'm not saying you shouldn't, I'm just saying.
I
You
know,
don't have
but
to.
I think friends are better, because that lasts longer.
And this one did all of her number ones, but she never did a number 2. Oh.
I did a number 2, but they haven't found it yet.
I'm a vegetarian.
Eat your chicken.
Do you have, like, tofu chicken or something?
What do you got on? What are you doing, sweetie? Mwah. What's this? You look like Madonna or like a cheap Madonna.
Aunt Jenna dressed me up like this. I want to be a rock star like Aunt Jenna.
You're gonna be a rock star like Aunt Jenna? Aunt Jenna's not a rock star, honey.
Dad, I had enough of it.
The birthday boy might like a birthday BL.
Tea.
What?
Hi.
What's a BLT?
Yeah.
It's a sandwich.
Sandwich.
That Daddy likes. Oh, it's so good.
It's high protein.
Yes.
Marty,
Catch a tiger by the tail.
what are you doing under here?
Playing.
Don't you want to get ready for school, honey? Get dressed?
The kids are adorable.